Malungilsin sa makamiro kul other belal kuk nasabiin may oreng se o mesir mayangal ay yang ako skalsa lang ako mamsadar bebe mayangal ay sel kuk dilub al lumra tal Sunday. Ela sel kuk mo hotel ay sel bagu sadar ngi ya kamdila la ibdul. Ela kamdila la at tangak lekwal libdul yutaka gibon samla utrok lumongar ngira November 23. Direct sera eli ra Wednesday November 10 ang labadangel ra Taiwan almay asay gidan leya arfarilya water on bridge arrival mo anara gagidel at tanga klekwal libudul yutaka gibon sa ela sel bagto kara kamaldil ngariya edel kamaldilel mo ngariya kamaldil para national government kamaldil para blura orior maguk ngariya kamaldilel ra selbi raidit at tanga kulpol hibudul yutaka gibon sa direct le talura tablol duy talura duy ra udla kara ngara kaya ray mali ka ova karay wong ra ngara kabasang altara hamlet trablura orior ela serguk motara ay sa quarter state president tamne askra PEC الموفاي ذا voters التيرا دي ملغى المتر سيد 180 days residency. لا quarter state تملانيا 12th general election اللي take place on Tuesday November 9. quarter state نقاقي ذا quarter state resident تذيرك الformer delegate اليوال تريبرون عملي أسكرا PEC الموفاي ذا voters التيرا عملي register الموفاي ذا أوريور within 30 days of general election. Direct mong unfair mo ra quarter state voters at tamne follow a proper procedure sa 180 days residency ertir elmo have a vote certain compromise by voters who did not meaning trial adal the 30 days residency ertir ladong matto karala a quarter state ta required mar adal sorry mo register agin meet the sa 180 days residency di Tokara national language requirement of 30 days residency. Ala Mr. Toribio ang amni alleged mo PEC amni ala ra other mo register tiram limit 30 days residency requirement instead of saying 180 days residency required by quarter state law. Ala sa matara ay according ra Island Times Senator amle askra whip mo clarify authority ringil mo remove ra trigel del PPLA board members. Ela Senator umi isang bawal Chairman Senate Committee ra on Tourism, Environment, Maritime Development amle askra clarification ra President Surangal Whips Jr. or sel decision ringil mo remove trigel del board members ra Palau Public Land Authority ra November 5. A President talil as removal letter ngi el cited el section 204 mat 205. El mo members may be removed by supermajority. Di sa nga ba moral mo o IK olbira kalula wangan nga alam till under a constitution have the at will removal of members under certain conditions. Meanwhile, the Senate already approved the appointments of mortal 3 appointees. Trial BS. El more replace the trial complete devil members at tiramle dismissed by Surang Whips Jr. El asel gukmota may ang al-ais el mam last del ais el bogusad ringi Whips amle urge ra passage el ma digital residency bill el promote ra use ra cryptocurrency. Ela Surang Whips Jr. Le urge Belao Congress mo consider the introduction of digital residence bill. El andera bill bela mo offer governmental issued digital residency mo trigel kuktiak el resident el citizen. Abila direct allow government mo contract a private partner el through operating agreement mo handle la ancillary services el issuing a certificate el sibila adal chance ang clean direct al saltige del bill ang digitize banks security brokers security dealers may be charted under the operating agreement Ay kuk maldim lebe pirami ang ice. Kuk stay tuned masil next week. Ede kuk mamsada pirami ang ice. Sulang.